Welcome to Islam for Children.
As the soft rays of the setting sun kissed the horizon, a sense of anticipation and excitement filled the air in the home of young Ali and Aisha. They had spent the day fasting, following the tradition of Ramadan, a cherished month for Muslims around the world. Aisha excitedly glanced at the clock, her thoughts drifting towards the sweet taste of dates at iftar, the meal to break the fast. She couldn't help but watch as her mother lovingly arranged a platter filled with the sweet dates. Her older brother, Ali, sat, waiting for the call of the muezzin, signaling the end of fast. His excitement was slightly different than that of his younger sister. For him, the excitement was more for the chance to partake in the nightly communal prayer sessions known as Taraweeh. The idea of standing together with his fellow brothers, praying under the calm and serene night sky. As the sun set, the siblings shared their individual excitements with their mother Zainab.
May Allah bless you all. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe Islam for Children for more such videos.